Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning to you. This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Bring you another quote to help try and kickstart your day. Now here are your words of wisdom for today. Don't let the idiots ruin your Monday. You don't need any help. Well, hello again, Monday. Funny seeing you here again. Now, as poor Monday is back with us once again, it seems only right that you try and ignore all the idiots out there who'll be trying their bestest to try and ruin your day for you. The negative vibes out there are already in full flow, so they'll be trying to ruin your day for no reason. And look, you don't need any help with that, do you?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.